Rockin' Pat here. Hi guys, it's another rockin' day in the jungle. Okay, so we're over here with Randy and we're working on his 1966 Mustang. And what we did today was, the biggest thing that what he came over for was the parking lamps didn't stay on with the headlamps. So Randy and I, we took the headlamp switch out, we tied the front park lamps to the rear park lamps. Now when the headlights come on, the park lamps come on too with them. All right, so Randy just asked me a question here about the windshield wipers. And I'm gonna show you how to take your windshield wipers off. He was talking about there's a clip up underneath here, right Randy?
That's right, and I didn't want to ding my paint.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to take the windshield wiper off of this without dinging your paint. Randy's gonna be the camera guy. Just if you get down close and it gets out of focus, just push right there and it'll refocus for you. So what we're gonna do is, this is the tool you need to remove this type of windshield wiper arm, okay? And this is how you use it. This hook goes right up underneath the back side of the windshield wiper arm shaft splines, whatever you want to call it. Now you take your hand and you use it like this and you pick the wiper arm up off of the windshield, and now you can just easily walk that bad boy right on out of there, get it placed where you want it on the windshield. Still too high.
That's probably too low. One more up.
One more up, or is that perfect?
One more up.
One more up to match the other side?
Yeah. Got a little slop in the motor. Yeah, in between.
That must have gone too. Come on, baby, get back on there. Now I'm way out of whack. I think that's... All right, guys, hang on there. I'm trying to get it dialed in there. And I keep going back to the same one, and then I can't. There we go.
Perfect.
Perfect. All right, no scratches.
And let's go show the where it sits now.
Perfect. There you go, guys. Well, there you have it. That is how you take your windshield wiper arm off of your classic car without scratching the paint. All right, guys, y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. Keep grinding it down. Talk to y'all next time.